Hello Internet, this is me again, Carlo Gino, your software developer slash engineer slash copy paste engineer and developer, and today will be the day 37 of my 100 days of code challenge. Yesterday, what I did is are these things. So I list the blogs, as you can see here, and also it's not in. I did not add this in the Trello backlog, but I updated on how we can create the blogs. Okay, so what I will do today is just to continue listing these blogs, but instead of the full blog, which can be seen in here, what I will do is just add a simple card to them with the summary. Mm, so I will start coding now. I will go to the, where should that be? In the blogs. Yep, in here. Instead of adding here the content, I need to extract this somewhere. And let me just see what is the result. Yep, this is enough. And I might need to make this smaller. I will follow this approach, so it's text aligned to the left. Text align left. Okay, it's not applying. I guess I need to use this in the title. Left. Oh, still not. How can I easily do this? I don't want to apply to each. Do I really need to do that? Okay, maybe for this one I don't need to follow. So my changes will simply be making this a little a bit smaller. So I will refresh. Hmm. I think this will not look very bad for other screen width. Hello. So okay, I think this is enough. Just this time it's not looking good. So hmm I'm thinking, do I really need this JavaScript date format? I guess I can simply use here the getting of t. Date for date time format. Hmm. I don't want to use another library here. But I think I'll just parse this easily. I will separate the first. I will separate the date to the time. Where is that? Created that split. I'll just create a function here. Parse to date time. Though I should be using here a pipe, but I'm lazy. Sorry. um, Now this will accept a string, or if I'm not mistaken, it might be. Wait, what will it? I think this is date of type date, return date. But I want to check console.log date. I just simply want to check what is the type of date. It's actually a string. If I get the blogs, yeah, it's a string. Of course, I won't receive here an object. So what should I do here? Maybe I need to convert it to date time again. Return new date, which I will pass the date, and this should be string date that or I can simply date that split, and of course I will get here on the first array will be on the first element of the array will be the date const date string date and the time date string. I can return now the date. Oops. Now I am only getting the date, but what I want here is a different format. And also I want to return here the type. Sorry, the time. But for the time, I need to remove this 00, or I can simply get the first five characters. So to do that, I can simply I will const formatted time is equals to time that splice, of course. What was the command again to substring. What does substring accept? New value, blah, blah, not that. Time that substring start and end. So I will start at 0 and I will end at 4. I will pass here the formatted time. I will quickly change this to a template literal. Okay, I'm getting this, but I guess it should be 5. But I really want here the date to be in month, in a different format. I want to try here. New date. D dot to date string. Okay, so I guess this is enough. Formatted date is equals to new date, which will accept the date, and then to date string. This is much better than before. I could not move my timer. Why can't I move it? Okay, now I can move it. So that's one. And the next thing is I want to format my tags. Or maybe not, this should be enough, but maybe I should add here a pound sign. And that pound will be bold. There's no difference. I guess this is because of, I'm not sure. So this one will be used for the actual blog view. So to do that, I will create another component. But before that, I need to save my changes. Is this good enough? In the future, I will add support for reactions, comments, but I'm not sure if how to do that. Because some I can spam or somebody else can spam unless I have a registration form. Hmm. What's missing? Okay, the font to be used. What is the font? Font family is sans serif. Let me try if that will look good. Font family sans serif. Hmm. Okay, I will use sans serif here for the title. Okay, I'm not sure if that's better, but it looks different. And what I will do now is make this clickable. When I click at the math card title, click will navigate to blog content, and I need to pass here the blog that is selected. Blog and blog. So what I will do next is to to have the router router this that router what that navigate by URL. I'm thinking, would it be better if I add an overlay component here? That's hacky, but okay, that's easier because I don't need to use the router. But in other instances, I should append here the blog ID, and then it will navigate away to the full content. Okay, I guess I'll just do that. Navigate by URL to slash blogs, and then I will pass here plus blog.id. Let's try if this will work. Okay, just to make it more explicit, cursor pointer. Page not found because it's because we don't have routing for that. So what I will do is to wait, I'm still thinking, because it would be harder if I do that. What if I add here ng template that will contain the content of the blog? Should be here. The difference, I can use this. And I can simply pass here. How do I pass again the variable? Angular template variable. Okay, first I need to add an ID. Full blog content. I need here the ng template outlet, not that one. This one, the context. Let blog is equals to blog, and to pass that, it's as simple as passing the context mat card content full blog content template, and the context would be blog. so it will revert to the previous setting. But in here, what I can do is, hmm, I think I don't have a choice but to use a router here. I'm trying to do a work around that to make it easier. Okay, I'll just use the NG router here. If I click this, then it should navigate to the ID, but of course I don't have that. So I will go, wait, before that, I should save this. Updated blog header or title card. Okay, so I will go back to the, where is it? The blog routing module. And what I will do here is to add a path to with an ID, Angular router dynamic path. Okay, I can pass here the type. Type is dynamic here, component, article component. Is this the one I'm looking for? Okay, I guess what I can do is focus on the creation first of this, on this, where's that, in the list blog, create a blog preview. Okay, this full blog content using NX. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, what was that again? Component should belong here in the blogs. Pages, blogs, full blog content. This should be enough. and I will add that to the our blog routing module. uh, Path full. This is just for testing component. uh, Full blog content component. I will go here and change this to full. Wait, should not be full. Yep. Okay, it's still not working. What might be the issue here? I guess I need to add here children. It's still not working. Or is it because it's blogs? Navigate by URL. Why is it like this? Let me just try to restart. Though it's unlikely that's the cause. I can refer to my admin page. This is almost the same. Oh, okay, I got it. Because I don't have here a router view. How do I say this? View router. So this should not be children. It's still loading. Why not found? This that router that navigate. I guess this should work. Page not found. I guess I will waste a lot of time here. Blogs /full. Okay, let me try with this wildcard. Still not working. Okay, let me try going to my app routing module and check okay, I have here path match full. Now I'm getting this one, but what I really need here is to I just realized that I might need here the um, router view, so I need to create another component, blog list, and it should be in the page, should be page or pages, it should be pages and blogs. Okay, oh, one comment. I will run this. Oh, I have one viewer from YouTube. It is Marielle, my number one fan. What's wrong here? Hmm. Schematic workflow failed. Blog list already exists. Okay, since I already have the list, the list, what I will do is to simply uh, they should be on the right side and the blogs component should be here. I want to extract this article into here, and of course I need the necessary TypeScript file. What's missing here? I have oh no, my should not be here, but instead it should be here. I'll just cut all of the contents in, of the class. Now I don't have any error, but in this file I need a ng on init, though I don't really need that. It's just I don't know, by default it's there, so I don't want to touch it. And I'm expecting that there will be some errors. And there should be no content. Oh, there's really no content. Full blog. What's the problem here? Maybe okay, I want to save this. Now it's compiling. But I'm only seeing the blog list. In my routing, it's, yeah, I guess it should be a children, and for default this will be the content. Full blog content component, and in here I will use the sorry, it should not be the full. And for this one it will be the blog list. Let me try what will be the content. So because I don't pass a content body, that's why it doesn't have any. I need to simply add here a router outlet. Okay, as you can see now we have this full blog content, because that's where we're pointing. And if I click this, it will go to discard view. If I click the title, wait, I need to pass that as well. I guess all of this. And for the variables, the SCSS variables, this needs to be pasted as well. Of course, I need to update the I don't know, the path, the relative path. It should match. Okay, so earlier I was trying to hover here and expect that the cursor will change, but I realized that I should hover here in the title. Now it's navigating away, which is good. So what I will do next is to first save, of course, created listed and full blog component. Okay, it's done. So I will try to make it accurate by passing the ID. I don't know if I should add the ID here or the title. I guess I'll just uh pass by title. But if I use passing by title, that means mm, okay, I'll for now I'll pass by ID. Where should I put that? Should be in the blog list, blog routing module. I need to pass here ID. And going back to the reference, okay, Google Angular router get um, dynamic path. This one is what I'm looking for. Moo, activated route. Activate route. This is the one. Let me try if that will work. Yep, I'm getting here full. And for that, I want to explicitly tell that it should be a number. How can I do that? Okay. ID, which is equal, which should be a number, but it's actually a string. Can I pass an argument here? Can activate blah 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 blah. Do I have a parameter? Nope, I don't have. Matcher outlet. Oh, okay. I just realized that I will always get here, of course, a string. And I will just simply output the ID. Wait, why are you not working? Subscribe. What is your problem? Okay. Because it's params. It's an object. Params. Okay, if you don't want to be passed. Router params. Still not working. Okay, I'll just leave it as is. Okay, now I got you. Oh, it's not a generic, so that's why I can pass any. So no need to add that. And what I need to do here is to, once I got the ID, const ID is equals to param, I need to fetch this from the back end. Fetch blog, and I can fetch by ID, which is a number. Return this that http that get, it will return a single blog. Environment that API slash slash blogs slash the ID. I think I can put this in the constructor instead. This that, or what should I do here? Once I got the param, I think I should chain it here, that pipe with latest from. I need to inject here the service private read only blogs service blog service this that blog service that fetch blogs. Or I should put this outside. That I really can't, because I need the ID. This the blog service that fetch blog, and I will pass the ID. This will in turn I need here a blog which is of an observable of a blog this dot blog equals that. And in the full blog content, I need to use here the 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 one I used before. This one. Of course, it will not work. I want I need to add here ng container blog ng if let blog I guess that should remove the error, but of course my backend is not updated. I need to add something there in the controller. I need to get by ID. Param. What was that again? Query. Was it query? ID. And then it should be ID of type number. Here I can pass a parse int type, and instead of get blogs I should return here get blog that will accept a number find one. I will simply pass the ID and similar here. That's as simple as that. So that the next thing to do is, oh, it's not having an error, but of course this is invalid. So what's wrong with that? Bad request. Validation field numeric string is expected. What? Oh, it's not really a query, but a param. Okay. Okay, let me check if this will work. If I hit enter, there's no error and I can see there's no response. What is the cause? Okay, what I can do is, I'm guessing that I don't have an ID of 1. Bad request. Oh. In the blog list, I need to pass here. Plus blog.id. Still not okay. Now I'm getting here the content, which is weird. For the blog too, it's empty. Okay, I guess that's expected. So if I click this, then it will be we will be navigated to this um, part, but I want us to retain the title. Okay, all of this. Okay, I will commit a sin here of copy pasting without refactoring. Okay, so if I try to go to modify directly in the URL, okay, just in case I get an error. Okay, sorry. Before continuing with what I'm saying, console.log, I will commit my changes. What? Okay. Created fetching individual blog. Okay. So just in case there is an error fetching the in here, where is that full blog in here, there's an error here. What I will do is uh, to set to display something else that blog is missing, something like that. Oh, I have some watcher from Twitch. Good evening to you, fellow stranger. Okay, so I guess this is not that bad. This is enough. Hmm, I was trying to do okay. Just in case, I add here invalid path. Then where can I get that? Uh, so there is no response. So I will explicitly tell that just in case we did not find any, const blog is equals to await async if blog. Oh, this is not that, my bad, because this is the service. Oops, too much. I need to do that in the controller. Const blog is equals to await, and this needs to be async. So I need to add here response, res of type response it should be coming from the Express API response. And if block is existing, then rest that send. Okay, status first is http code dot http status that okay that send blog, and else I will return to explicitly tell that there's nothing else. Return rest that error status that http status that 404 not found, that send a message of blog post not found. If I hit enter again, then I'm getting here the 404 that I set manually, and I need to handle this in my front end service or front end component in the full. Where should I handle it? In the subscription, there should be an error. Okay, for now I will console log the error. And we're getting here this bunch of stuff. So I need to go to, this should be response, rest.error.message. What? Why am I not getting the my expected error? Subscribe. Okay, so because I will not have an error here. What to do here? Maybe I should add here a pipe. Oh wait, but I'm not subscribed. Okay, I don't really need to subscribe, I just realized. So what I can do is pipe catch error. If there's an error, I will do this. Error is never read. Oh, okay, I guess that I should handle the error here, or what I need to do is to subscribe. Okay, I'll guess I need to subscribe here. That's subscribe, and rest. Oh, hello to my 2 viewers from Twitch. How are you guys? Here I can add the error handler I can also rename this res. Let me check if this will do the job. So instead of adding here an observable, I will simply make this like that. Console.log rs. This is for success case. And in here, of course, and I just need to reference the blog because I don't have any observable. Okay, this is what I'm expecting to have this error. But what I need to do here, if I have an error case, so console.log res that status 404. So I will add a condition if res that status. Okay, I will simplify this using the structuring status and error. If status is equals to 404, then I need to have here is blog not found is equals to false by default, and if it's 404, this dot is blog not found is equals to true. And of course this needs to be set to false if we have something false. And okay, let me quickly check this if this will work. If I hit blog, if I click this, of course I will not get something here. This dot blog is equals to res, or to simplify, this can be blog. I will hit refresh and it's still not working. Why is that so? But I guess it should work. Yep, it should work. Blog. Is this going here? This is the typical developer way. You should add. It's going here actually. This dot blog is equals to blog, which means that it should have a content. I think it's not reacting to changes. What if I move it in the constructor? Why do I have here? Yeah, it's still the same. So it's not reacting. If that's okay, let me test my theory. If I comment that out, yep, it's I'm getting here an something. So though I can simply do this, but what I want to is to make it to use an observable here, or a subject to be explicit. Blog is equals to new subject of type blog, and this at blog dot next. So what it will do is just as the same as before. If I check the result, yeah, it's still working. And just in case I hit an error, or the blog post is not existing, it's currently displaying nothing. But what I want is to have here ng container, this will only be visible ng if is blog not found. I will add here a mat card blog post not found. It's not appearing. Weird. It's true already. So I guess I need to transform it to also a subject, but that means I need to destroy it later. New subject of boolean. So this one next false, and the other one should be true. Now I'm getting this message, blog post not found, but I want to make that a bit better. H2, though I'm not sure if that's appropriate. We'll also add the sad face. Where is that again? Modules. Not found module. I will add this icon, and of course mat icon is missing. Mat icon module.